Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you what is the quotation tab in our business intelligence module. So let us go to our business intelligence module. On your left hand side, you will see business intelligence module. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in business intelligence module, on your right hand side top, you will see a quotation option. Click on the quotation. So this is our quotation overview. This helps you to check that exactly how much quotation have been raised and how much have been converted. What are the follow-up status and follow-up from last 30 days. You can very well go ahead and check it in the cards, or you can click on view details and the report will get opened in front of you. So it will provide you that if any quotation isn't pending, not cancelled, not converted, so it is in the pending, so it will come in the follow-up list. Now going back, you can see the quotation data as per graph. Here in the blue you can see that how much value quotation have been raised, and in red you can see that how much have been converted means once quotation is sales quotation is converted to order confirmation, it is meant to be converted. Now here you will see total quoted value and conversion rate. Now going below, the pie chart are provided by the customer wise, product wise and category wise, on which you can very well go ahead and click, and you can see the separate data of that. You can use our filter segment to check the data as per your requirement, 6 months, 3 months, or you can also select the breakup as per the customer wise, product wise or category wise. So this particular report helps you in checking that what exactly is the status of the quotation and the conversion rate, so that you may be able to have a word with your team that exactly how we can go ahead and improve our conversion rate. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while checking your quotation work and also your quotation progress in your organization. Have a good day ahead.